Hello fall, here you come again and steal my summer, and yet I'm grateful for your coming. You slowly and gently prepare us for winter, and once I'm getting used to the idea of you being here, I really do enjoy everything you bring with you. And after having enjoyed the lake all summer, it is now time to celebrate some time in the forest. So beautiful and kind fall, thank you for passing by.
Can I sit with you, find a band to cry with? Can I sit with you when the music hits? It doesn't hurt. Time spent on love is never wasted. Night wages on, keep awake with me. A dream that calls upon our soberness, much needed to explore. I find a band to cry with. Can I sit with you? Find a band to cry with. Can I sit with you when the music hits? It doesn't hurt. Time spent on love is never wasted. When they find you up into your suit, we will dance in strawberry fields, and we're left with all but little hope. You can fling yourself at the ground and fly.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers.